it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I've got a very decorated Fat Quarter Shop box. My 3-year-old came through here and found the box before I was able to open it and just covered it in stickers. So it's a unicorn box this time. So let's find out what's inside. What's inside the unicorn box? All right. First, we've got paper and our invoice. Oop. And we've got some threads that I was not able to get locally that I needed for my next fabulous house quilt, or not quilt, the stitch along thing. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to save the fabric till the end because it's a big one. So, okay, not all the fabric. I'm going to cheat and show you this one. So this is very shiny from the light. So let me take off the plastic. If you hear a baby crying, that is actually a baby doll my daughter is playing with. And it's so realistic. I gotta keep an eye on your baby. Okay, so this is a mini charm pack, and the little sleeve came off of it while I was pulling it out. It is called Slow Stroll, and this is little 2.5-inch squares. And oh my goodness, I have been looking at this line for a while. There's one that little tiny acorns. Look at that. I've been looking at this line for a while. I just love it. And they happen to have the little mini charm packs on sale. And I thought these would be fantastic to make a scrappy project bag with. So that is what I got this for, is that scrappy project bag. All right. Oh, there's more fabric in here than what I realized. Okay, so we'll do the fabric last. I've got another one of these, which of course you know, I think you've seen in other videos, I'm sure, where it's actually cheaper to buy this as a pack, but I needed these Floss Drops because I've run out, and I figured if I'm getting the Floss Drops, I'm not going to spend $10 on a pack of Floss Drops when I can get the same pack of Floss Drops for $5 and get floss with it. It just wouldn't make sense, right? Oh, okay. So I ordered these tapestry needles, but I'm not sure if I got the wrong ones, if they sent me the wrong ones, or if I ordered the wrong ones. I thought I was getting just a single type, and this looks like an assortment of different sizes. Although this says sizes, oh no, that says sizes 18 to 24. I guess I was thinking 18, like size 18, and I don't know what I was thinking. That wouldn't translate to 24, so maybe, I don't know. I'm going to have to check this at the end and see if they sent me the wrong one or if I ordered the wrong one. But either way, I'm sure I'll be able to find use for these. Oh, I could probably use the larger needles to stitch my project bag, because I think I need larger needles for that, because that's like a size 10 equivalent in Ada. Okay, another one of these, same as before, just different colors and different ones of these Floss Drops. These are the Valentine's ones, and the others were just the standard ones. Okay, I got finishing tape, and I seen this in one of Kimberly's videos at Fat Quarter Shop. She was discussing how to use this to secure your cross stitch project onto the back of a board and to not have to use glue for that, which I'd rather not put glue on one of my cross stitch projects. So I'm thinking tape would be a much better way to go. All right, so I'm going to show you another one of the fabrics because I'm not going to make you wait to the end for all of it. So this, if you saw my recent video for Valentine's Day ideas, this was one of the fabrics that was on my list. And this was the Mint for You, right? Mint for You line. This is the one that was kind of kawaii looking. And you can see it's got like, almost looks like cherry blossoms, and there's little honeybees and stuff here. And then these are the little sentiment candies. Is that what they're called? Sweet sentiments? I don't remember exactly what those are called, but that's what those fabrics have on them. And then there's the little postage stamp ones and these beautiful little hearts. It's just a beautiful little assortment. And I got one of the charm packs of that. Again, not too sure what I'm going to use it on, but I just love that line so much. I had to have a little bit of it to use for something. Okay, not quite there yet. But I got this book. It was part of their monthly sale, and this was in under their books that were on sale. And it's Summer Memories. Now, if you remember a few of the Sew Sampler boxes back, we had gotten a template for making a flag quilt. And this is the book that was supposed to go along with that, where you can find that pattern that had the template for the flag quilt that you use the template for to make the flag quilt in this book. Ooh, look at that. That's not the flag quilt, but look at it. It's so pretty. I like these. Oh, there we go. There it is big. Look at that. It's like a bunch of flags just all put together to make a square. And then a bunch of squares put together to make a quilt. I like it. I like it. I like it. There we go. There is, oops, can you see it? There's that flag quilt that we got the template for. I just love flag quilts to begin with. And, oh, okay, I should have just turned it a few more pages. There is a big picture of the flag quilt that we have that template for that we got in our Sew Sampler box. So now I can actually make that quilt. And just out of curiosity, let me check and see what size that quilt ends up being. Quilt center, nope, not that. We want the whole quilt size. Okay, 52.5 by 80 inches. So it'll be a long, skinny quilt, but very cute. I like it. I mean, that's kind of what you have to expect with it being a flag, right? Is it's going to be long and skinny. Not super disproportionate, which 50 by 80 sounds kind of really disproportionate, but I guess that's what it is for a flag. So, and of course there's that quilt on the front. I think there's several others in here. And they even have some cross stitch projects in here, which I'm excited to take a look through and see those as well, because I'm sure I'm going to make up a couple of them. So I'm excited. That's awesome. That was a great score. Now, the piece de resistance. I got this. It's a big fat quarter bundle. And again, if you saw that video where I was going through and talking about the Valentine's Day quilting inspiration, this was one of the ones from that video. It is I Love Us. And Sandy Gervais. Wow, they make her name so teeny tiny on there. You can barely see it. Now I'm not going to open this up for you to see each of them because there's a lot of fabrics in this line. That would take all day, and I don't think you guys actually want to see it take quite that long. But if you want me to go through this one piece by piece, let me know and I'll do a separate video just for that. It is super adorable though, and I can't wait to make something with it. Gonna have to be some type of heart quilt. I'm just not sure which. I really liked that heirloom hearts one though. But I don't know, there were a few on there that I really liked. So I think I'm gonna have to watch back through my own video and figure out which patterns I'm gonna make using this fat quarter bundle. Thanks so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit like and please don't forget to hit subscribe. It really helps the channel, and the sooner we get to 1,000 subscribers, we can do our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Thank you so much for joining me. See you again next time. Bye. I gotta keep an eye on your baby. Okay, can you take your baby in the other room, please? I can't keep an eye on her right now, honey. Take her in the bedroom, honey. Lay her down to sleep. She's tired.